Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. We got Amy right here. Amy, where are you?
Here we are at the Real Estate Investment Club Luncheon, Wednesdays in Van Nuys at Sizzler. So it's a great way to network with people. We're looking for painters, contractors, lenders, anything you might need. You have some seasoned investors here to connect with. So it's a great networking place. You learn a lot too about real estate investing if you're a beginner, as well as advanced. Come on down. Wednesdays, 11 a.m. Sizzlers in Van Nuys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to our Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. And if you want free tools and strategies to save you time and make you more money, go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com. So ladiesofjusticeleague.com for some free tools and strategies. All right, have a great day.
Comment,
I did.
like,
I said.
share,
Yep, subscribe.
and subscribe. That's Amy Yoshimitsu of Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Gotta go to lunch. Come to the Sizzler. Woo! Every Wednesday.
Ciao now.